Hello, I am Tamara Rogers, owner and attorney of Rogers Law Firm LLC. I am an estate planning and family law attorney servicing Indianapolis, Indiana, and the surrounding counties. Welcome to Ask Tam. This is a weekly lunchtime learning session where I talk about an estate planning or family law topic. Today's topic is I'm married. Why do I need a guardian for my minor child? A lot of times when people are married, they think if something happens to me, my spouse will take care of my child. Well, yes, that definitely often happens, but they don't usually think about some common situations where neither person would be available if something does happen. There is no plan for where the minor child goes. If you have a child who's under the age of 18, you have to think about two things: temporary guardianship and permanent guardianship. First, permanent guardianship is often what people think about. And there are some situations where you really have to write in your will who would take care of your child if something happened to you. If you were on a date, if you were on a vacation, if you were just in a car and had an unfortunate accident where you and your spouse died. Have you written anywhere in your will, and do you have a will, on who will be the permanent guardian of your child? If you have not, that is something that you really need to consider. If you don't have anything drafted in a will, there may be people who you disagree with having your child or children who are appointed as the guardian by the court process. Also, if something happens to you and your spouse at the same time, there may be a period of time where your child may go into state custody while the courts figure out who should be your guardian. No one definitely wants that. Second, we're going to talk about temporary guardianship. Sometimes people just can't wrap their head around if they die and their children are still here. But oftentimes there can be other emergencies that arise where you need a temporary guardianship. What if you're on vacation and you're delayed due to a pandemic or just due to travel restrictions? Or you have an accident on a vacation, but you're still alive, but you have some sort of medical procedure or emergency? What if you're in the States and you're near home, but you have to have medical treatment, or you're temporarily unable to make decisions because of some sort of medical emergency? Then, in that case, you definitely would need a temporary guardian. A temporary guardian could be a friend, family, or anyone close by who you trust to take care of your child. Again, if something happened to you and this is not written, the courts will determine what will happen, and there also may be that brief period where your child may be in state custody. And again, no one wants that. Please contact me, Tamara Rogers, at 317 588 2803. Again, 317 588 2803. If you have questions about guardianships for your minor child, or if you have any estate planning question. Have a great day.